Hey, what's up YouTube? Today, for those that are looking to remove those studs on any 13B, 12A, any housing, or any exhaust, or anywhere, any bolts, any studs, a quick tip: if you guys don't have a little extractor, which is a little tool, looks like a socket, I mean you twist it and then it has little threads, grabs in here and then twist it and then how you get them loose. Let me show you another way. You're gonna need the same nuts from the exhaust for my 13B Renegade 13B. This is the S4 housing RX-7. I have the exhaust nut right here. So what we're gonna try to do is this: we're gonna try to get two of them. We're gonna put one in there. We're going to tie the other one. Once it's there, we're going to bring the other one out and we'll get them tied. We'll try to see it. Now it's tied there. As you can see, you can start spinning it and then it's going to bring it out. So you can go ahead and do that, and then you will not damage your studs. So from any engine, it don't matter if it's a rotary, it don't matter if it's a pistons, whatever it is. So you need two. So you can get one on top, one behind, and voila. You see, nice and easy. Because I've seen guys on the internet, they grab any type of pliers or whatever, and then they always messed up the thread on it. So doing it this way, you see, you have those. Now you're gonna have to hold one and then the other one and get them loose. So that's how you do it. Let me take this off so I can use it on the bottom one. So just to get them loose, all you have to do is a 14 millimeters or whatever size the nut is. Hold one down, get the other one. There we go. See, nice and easy. That's all you need. We'll get the other one off. Now let me show you the thread on the stud. See, nice and clean. So this can apply for any type of engine. Instead of using any pliers or whatever you have handy, as a simple way, nice and easy. Let's go ahead and remove the one from the bottom. Same way. You can put one in here. The other one, we'll leave it there. Bring that one up. There, get it loose. There you go. Also clean. Let's go ahead and remove the 12 millimeter. Same way. So there you go. Nice and quick trick. little tip for anyone out there, try to get those studs off. Nice. Thanks for watching.